How to download files from Mega on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily download files from Mega on PC. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and then simply search for Mega and hit enter. You can find mega.io, click on the first link and log into your account. Now once you are logged in here, what you need to do is find the file that you want to download. I already have some filed on my shared folder. You can just double click on it and select the file that you want to download. Now once you have selected the files that you want to download, you can find this little download button over here, or if you tap on the three dots here, you might find it here as well. But for me, I have the download button available right here. I can just click on download and it will create a downloads for my folder. And as you can see here, these two files have been downloaded. If I just tap on it, it will open it up instantly, and here you go. So that's how you basically download files from Mega on your PC. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.